Ever wondered how digital money could replace your physical wallet? Welcome to the intriguing world of cryptocurrency, a realm where finance meets technology in a dance as old as time, yet as new as tomorrow. Now, before we delve deeper, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is digital or virtual currency. It operates independently of a central bank and uses cryptography for security. But where did it all start? The concept was born out of the need for privacy and security in online transactions. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. His, hers, or their identity remains a mystery that is as fascinating as the technology they birthed. This technology, known as blockchain, is the backbone of cryptocurrency. It's a type of distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is a block that is chained to the one before it, creating a permanent and unalterable record. This revolutionary technology offers transparency and security, two elements that were often missing in traditional financial systems. In the past decade or so, cryptocurrencies have surged in popularity. From being the choice of tech enthusiasts and privacy advocates, they have entered mainstream consciousness. Today, there are over 6,000 different cryptocurrencies with a combined market capitalization of over $1 trillion. The potential of cryptocurrencies lies in their ability to disrupt traditional financial systems. They offer a peer-to-peer approach to finance, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. They promise freedom from government control and manipulation. They offer the possibility of financial inclusion for those who have been left out by traditional banking systems. Cryptocurrency, a virtual form of currency, is here to redefine the future of finance. And as we continue on this journey, we'll explore whether they are a sound investment or mere speculation, how to navigate the crypto maze, and what the future holds for this digital revolution. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Is cryptocurrency a viable investment or merely a speculation? Now that's a question that has been on everyone's mind. The answer isn't as clear-cut as you might think. On one side of the coin, we have the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been known to skyrocket in value in a relatively short period of time. If you had bought a single Bitcoin in 2010, you'd be sitting on a small fortune today. Furthermore, the acceptance of cryptocurrencies is on the rise. More businesses, both online and offline, are beginning to accept Bitcoin and other digital currencies as a form of payment. This increasing acceptance and usage bodes well for the future value of cryptocurrencies. But on the flip side, there's the volatility. Cryptocurrencies can be incredibly volatile. One day, you might see your investment double or triple in value, and the next it could plummet. This level of unpredictability can be nerve-wracking, to say the least. Additionally, there are regulatory risks to consider. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to deal with cryptocurrencies. Some have embraced them, while others have outright banned them. This uncertainty in the regulatory landscape adds another layer of risk to investing in cryptocurrencies. And then there's the argument that cryptocurrencies lack intrinsic value. Traditional investments like stocks or real estate are tied to tangible assets or earnings. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are not. Their value is largely dependent on the faith and trust of the people using them. This lack of intrinsic value is a point of concern for some investors. So, is cryptocurrency a viable investment or merely a speculation? Well, it can be both. It all comes down to your risk tolerance, investment goals, and understanding of the market. Just remember, high returns come with high risks. And as with any investment, it's essential to do your research before diving in. Like any investment, the world of cryptocurrency carries its own set of risks and rewards. How does one begin their journey into the world of cryptocurrency? It starts with research. Understanding the crypto landscape is essential. Learn about different cryptocurrencies, their purpose, technology, and potential for growth. This isn't a realm where you can make an informed decision based solely on a coin's name or logo. Next, grasp the market trends. Are prices rising or falling? What's the sentiment around a particular coin? Being aware of these trends can help you make smarter investment decisions. Risk management is another crucial element. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. And where to buy or sell these cryptos? There are several platforms, each with their own pros and cons. Some are user-friendly for beginners. Others offer more advanced trading options. Entering the crypto world might feel like stepping into the unknown, but with the right knowledge, it can be an exciting journey. What does the future hold for cryptocurrency? It's a question that has sparked a myriad of debates and discussions. Cryptocurrencies, with their decentralized, borderless, and secure nature, have the potential to redefine the world of finance. We are already witnessing the rise of crypto as a mainstream financial instrument. Be it buying a cup of coffee with Bitcoin or purchasing a house with Ethereum, the possibilities are endless. However, the journey to mainstream acceptance is not without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles, security concerns, and market volatility are significant roadblocks. Overcoming these will require collective effort, innovation, and a dash of courage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, so you never miss out on our deep dives into the world of cryptocurrency. As we stand on the brink of a financial revolution, one must ponder, are we ready to embrace the cryptocurrency era?